Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Just wanted to show you guys the R179 T train. Now you're thinking, what is this? This is a V train, not a T train, you know what I'm saying? But I have converted it to a T train. So there's the V. Turn it around. There's a T train. The future 2nd Avenue subway right there. If only this could focus better. Hold up. Hold up. No, this ain't focusing. But anyway, yeah, that's the T train. In the future, I don't know, when I'm 55 years old, I don't even know when they're gonna finish this. I'm not 55 right now. I'm way less than that. So anyway, yeah, this is the. Let me just put it together. Oh my god, it's such bad quality. So yeah, that's the 179 T train. I was thinking of doing the sides, but I'm like, because the windows in the Munipals trains, they're kind of disproportionate to the ones in real life. But yeah, so that's why I can't really do the sides, but that's besides the point. I mean, yeah, this is the 179 T train. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.